You're so sweet, Egbert. You are being especially sweet this morning. Do you know I'm leaving? Today's my last morning with you. Yeah, baby, I'm gonna miss you. Are you gonna miss me too? I love you. I love you, baby. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. Hi, Oskar. Oscar's down there at my feet. Egbert's cuddled up next to me. This is my third time cat sitting them. And I've never had this experience because I always slept in the guest room and I kept the door closed. This time I'm in the master bedroom and I left the door open. And Egbert started coming in the morning and snuggling like this with me. And I love it so much. So much. Look who's gonna join us. Oh my goodness. Hi there, baby. Hi. Hi. Hey, baby. Hi, Oskar. Egbert. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. Oh, I love you. I know you love those butt scratches. And the head scratches. Okay, gotta give Egbert a little time. Come on over here, baby. Come over here. Oh, yes, you're gonna lay there. Is that where you're gonna lay? Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, I moved. Egbert, come back. Come back, Egbert. I like to feel your warm body next to mine. Oh. Darn it. I shouldn't have moved. Egbert's or Oscar's going, what's going on? I moved and Egbert left and I'm sad. Yeah. Yeah. They usually do this each morning too.